Welcome back to Watch Dogs, and we're about to start this mission here. Let's go. That song is like perfect for down this road. Ah, we're going in the house. No? Around the back. Around the back.
Okay. Here
How old are
goes.
you today? 10. No, I think you're 9. I'm 10. 9. 10. 9. 10? Well, in that case, you deserve 10 birthday tickles.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10. 10.
10. Stay here for a second. So, an entire year and
Late. Yeah, I'm sorry, Nate. Really.
come here. Let's have a look at you. You look older.
Oh, nice. Thanks for that.
It's his first birthday without Lena.
How's he doing?
Still doesn't talk to anybody but me. Yolanda says it's his way of maintaining some sort of control.
Yolanda.
His therapist. She's helping him. It's good. Just slow. It's hard, but we're gonna get through it. Jax.
Hey. Sorry I'm late. Can I get a hug? Wow. You are big. So, hey, what do you got there? Wow, the healer. Cool. You brought him a real toy, huh?
Why don't you bring up your toys? I'm gonna speak with your uncle.
Yeah, I'll be up there in a sec.
This matters. You being here. I just need to make sure that things are different.
Things are different. You and Jax are the most important people in my life. I'm not gonna stop watching out for you.
Always the big brother, huh?
Oh. Hidden
Last
sound
time I
like
was
he's
back here, it was Lena's birthday. Jackson adored her. We all did.
You missed all the fun. The kids were playing vigilante, imitating that guy they keep talking about on TV.
Let me guess. Jax was the vigilante.
No, they were all the vigilantes, and I was the only villain, but I make a mean bad guy. I gave him hell.
I should have come earlier. I could have warned them. Don't mess with my sister.
in treatment for PTSD.
Remember when you and Mom were both sick as dogs, but Dad insisted his boy was gonna have his birthday
Oh,
cake?
he's playing a game on the iPad.
That thing was an abomination. All burnt and lopsided.
Ooh, very nice room.
That was Dad in a nutshell. He
Toy.
did a lot of ugly things, but it was always about family.
What the
Listen
hell?
to me, I'm rambling.
Oh my god. Yeah, apparently I set that waypoint over there. Oop, hi.
Oh, really? No, don't let me interrupt you.
Okay.
Who is this? You think blogging caller ID will hide you? Listen, the police can trace this call.
I know where you live. How are the locks on those doors?
Who is this? Why are you
you calling?
Do you feel safe, Nikki?
Oh. Who was that?
Who was that?
Doesn't matter, just some stupid crank. It happens. Do you think this is strong enough?
Look, did you know his voice?
Oh, Jesus, Aiden, just leave it. It's fine.
It's fine. He thinks he can get inside.
How do you know what he thinks?
You're checking the locks.
Look, I can handle this on my own. We do not need your help.
Nikki, I can find this guy.
Okay, look, Aiden, God, you have not changed at all. We do not need your help. Please stop trying to fix our problems. Every time you try, you just make things worse.
I better go.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Grown man making crank calls. Let's see how safe you feel when I trace your call.
Oh, let's see where he's calling from.
There you are.
Damn it. He's on the move.
Uh-oh. Let's go. Let's get rid of that waypoint.
I've been afraid of this.
Yeah, let me just get rid of that waypoint.
Threats to my family. Again.
Take down. Let's go. Can I shoot from the car? Oh, I crashed. That didn't go well.
Yeah?
I'm sorry. I overreacted. You just make me so crazy sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Come on back, okay? I promise I won't freak out on you. Aiden?
Yeah.
You're going after that creep, aren't you?
Well,
You're doing it right now. I can't believe you.
It's not like that.
Stop being a hero, Aiden. Let it go.
let what? Yeah, the call's breaking up. I can't hear you.
No, you can hear me perfectly. You need to stop right now.
Yeah, hello? You still there? Can't hear you. Okay, gotta go.
Ugh!
Take it down. Ooh. Oh yes, I'm on 9/11.
So we have a deal? Shit, yeah, I can't believe you're paying me that much just to make a crank call. Nikki Pierce, right? I'll mention the locks like you said. And her kid. This feels wrong. That's the point.
Someone paid this asshole to harass Nikki. Who would pay for something like that?
Let's see what's going on around here.
Hey, did you get anywhere with DedSec? Any of those CTOS hacks?
Yeah, I'm still trying. They're kicking you out. Give me time.
Okay, well, I need your help then. Can you trace a phone call?
How can I refuse my best client? Wait, what am I looking at here?
It's from a guy who threatened my family. I want to know who hired him.
Well, the call came from somewhere in the Loop District. But that's as far as I can see.
Okay, if I can hack CTOS inside the loop.
Then I should be able to pinpoint the source of that call.
Let's do that. Bloom's building a new CTOS center in the loop. It's perfect.
Wow, the car is just
DedSec tried to attack that center last month. We failed, and they just added more armed guards. So it won't be easy. Be careful.
You sound like my sister. Relax. I'm sure I'm armed and dangerous.
I think we should just have a drive around the city for a bit. Taking all this Chicago area.
Bloom hires private contractors to guard their CTOS centers.
Rest.
These guys will be geared up and wired for action. But I'll be ready.
Skill tree. Alright. Let's have a good look at these skills, shall we? Hacking. Right, so I can only unlock the D1. Stealth and surveillance includes the ability to go to scout the area. Ooh. What's this one? It's a bit odd to get to the ones you're looking for. Right, so I've got them two. Okay. Oh yeah, I know what it means. I don't know. Maybe not hacking. Crafted items. Let's have a look at this. A symbol that can be used to draw. Get guarantee. I don't know. Frag grenade. Huh. Driving. I think driving. I think it's probably the most thing to be improved. I think that'd be a pretty good one. Damage save. Right. So we'll drive around for a bit. Oh. Yeah. Paying for that one. What do you move backwards for? Whoops. That's not going well. It's like, it reminds me of what's it, Burnout 3, where you could crash all your cars. This was crazy. Right, I'm parked. Oh. Unlock the CT. Oh, wait a minute.
If CTOS doubles their guards, I better double my weapons.
Yep, I thought, yeah. Purchase the purchase the 416 assault rifle.
How you doing?
Actually, that's nice. 17 AK-47. Wow. 15,000 ACR. Now that is a gun. Now that is a gun. That is a gun. Sorry. So, really energy. Pistols. 11. I think I picked up that one after that. SMGs. Ooh, it's a Tommy gun. MP5, nice. Oh, they've even got the Vector on here as well. Nice. Ah. A12. Nice shot on that. Sniper. Ooh, sort of. Yeah, like the Barrett decal. Alright, let's go and purchase this.
Over the past few weeks, CTOS centers
Thanks so
throughout
much, man.
Chicago have increased.